Welcome to Freedomfully, where we cultivate your retirement journey together.
Water is one of the most precious things on this earth, and one of the easiest to take for granted when it flows freely from our taps every single day. But here's what's also true. For retirees on a fixed income, every dollar saved on utilities is a dollar freed for living. And the beautiful thing about water conservation is that the habits that are good for the planet are also good for your budget. Today we're walking through simple, sustainable water-saving habits, room by room, garden by garden, that add up to real, meaningful savings over time. Let's start in the bathroom, where a significant portion of household water is used every single day. Your toilet is one of the biggest consumers. If you have an older model, a simple fix is to place a sealed plastic bottle filled with water in the tank. It displaces water with each flush, reducing usage with zero cost and zero effort. A low-flow shower head is another easy upgrade that delivers a fully satisfying shower experience while using noticeably less water. And the single simplest habit? Turn the tap off while you're lathering, shampooing, or brushing your teeth. The water running while you're not actively using it is pure, quiet waste. Be a detective about leaks. A dripping faucet or a running toilet can waste thousands of gallons over the course of a year. Check your fixtures regularly. Most repairs are simple, inexpensive, and pay for themselves within the first month. In the kitchen, resist the urge to let the tap run continuously while you wash dishes by hand. Instead, fill one basin with soapy water and another for rinsing, a classic approach that uses a fraction of the water. If you use a dishwasher, run it only when it's completely full. Modern dishwashers used this way are often more water efficient than hand washing. When washing fruits and vegetables, use a basin rather than running water. Then pour that water on your houseplants, a small loop of resourcefulness that feels genuinely good. Keep a pitcher of drinking water in the refrigerator so you're never running the tap waiting for cold water to arrive. In the laundry room, the rule is simple: wash full loads. An average washing machine uses 30 to 40 gallons per cycle. Make everyone count. And be honest with yourself about what truly needs washing after a single wear. Extending the life between washes saves water, saves energy, and extends the life of your clothing. When it's time to replace your washing machine, look for a high-efficiency model. The long-term savings in water and energy are substantial. Now let's go outside, because your garden and lawn may be your biggest water consumers of all. The most transformative shift you can make for an outdoor water footprint is choosing native, drought-tolerant plants. These plants are designed by nature for your local climate. They thrive on rainfall alone for much of the year, requiring little or no supplemental watering once established. When you do water, do it in the early morning or evening to minimize evaporation. Use a soaker hose or drip system that delivers water directly to roots, rather than a sprinkler that sends as much water into the air as into the ground. A layer of mulch around your plants helps the soil hold moisture, reducing how often you need to water at all. And if you haven't yet, consider installing a rain barrel beneath a downspout. Collecting rainwater from your roof is completely free, completely sustainable, and your garden will love it. Here's my question for you today. What is the single most effective, low-cost, or surprising water-saving tip you've discovered in your own home? The one that actually moved the needle on your bill? Share it in the comments below. This is one of those conversations where your experience is the most valuable thing in the room. If today's video gave you something useful to carry into your week, please give it a like and share it with someone who'd appreciate it. Subscribe to Freedomfully and ring the bell so you never miss a new conversation. Every mindful drop is a small vote for the world you want to live in, and a few more dollars in your pocket. Flow gently as you cultivate your freedom fully.